Hello everyone, tonight we've got some Gouda or Gouda or Gouda as the Dutch would say. It's a Dutch cheese, a little bit like Edam but a little bit more mature. It's a wash rind cheese and then it's brined and waxed, and this one's about 3 months old, so I'm just going to de-wax her and let's see how she is. Just bear with me for a moment. It's looking pretty good. It's a little damp, I have to say. Need a little tap off with some kitchen roll. And I will be saving this wax and recycling it for the next lot of waxing. So let's just give this a bit of a dab off. It's just a bit of excess weight, it's not a problem. So there you go, as you can see, it's pretty good, it's reasonably firm. Let's cut it up. That's not a knife, that's a knife. Well, it feels quite soft, but firm as well, if that even makes sense. Let's have a look at the inside. Okay, lovely, a little bit of eye formation. That'd be the cultures in there. A little bit of carbon dioxide, but not too much. Pretty much exactly how it should be. Okay. Cut that one in half. I have to say, it smells fantastic. Let's pop that there for a second. And go for a slice. As you can see, it's quite soft, but like I say, quite firm as well. There you go, quite reasonably good texture. Texture's good. Exactly how it should be. It's actually quite a strong cheese. I'm surprised it's yeah, not bad. Here comes the official tasters. Come on. No? Okay. Not bad at all. Yeah, that'd be nice with some nice glug of red wine. Nice Merlot or something like that. Not bad. Pretty good. So that's Gouda. It's all good. And stay tuned for next time, Red Leicester. Good night.